Xupad Plus is an absorbent dressing pad designed to manage low to moderately exuding wounds. Step 1. Open the procedure pack and drop it onto the work surface. Unfold the sterile field by the corners. Open the Xupad Plus dressing pouch and drop the dressing onto the sterile field. Use the disposal bag included to safely arrange your pack contents. Step 2. Once the previous dressing has been removed, cleanse the wound in accordance with local trust policy. After, gently pat the surrounding skin dry. Step 3. If required, apply any topical ointments or a primary dressing such as a silicone wound contact layer. Step 4. Position Xupad Plus over the wound, ensuring it is central to the pad, and the lilac side is facing upwards, away from the wound. Step 5. Once the dressing has been applied, secure in place using a suitable securement aid, such as retention bandages or surgical tape. Xupad Plus can stay in place for up to 5 days, depending on the exudate level and condition of the wound. Xupad Plus